Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. So today we are going to learn about the sign up register process. So previously we have done the login. So I have just embed the register part also. So here we go with the register with email and the password. So I'm going to add any of the email. So I'm going to add Rajni. So make it Rajni 23 @mailinator.com. And the password, we will add any of the password. Okay, so we are going to do the register. So clicking on the register, so you can see that it's logged in now. Okay, so let's see Rajni 23 is added to our Firebase account or not. So here we have the Firebase. Go to the authentications, users. So here you can see that Rajni 23 @millinator is added to your account. You can see that. Okay, so this is how we are able to register. So let's see, dive into the code level. So let's check about that one. So what we have used, so here we have the sign up method. So auth.create user with email and the password. Okay, so handle sign up function, and here we need to require the email and the password, then user, then we will going to set the user credential. If there is any error, so we will throw any error. Okay, so this is the handle function that we have added on the register section. So I will show you the register part. This is the section, and this is the full-fledged code of that register part. Okay, so nothing much bigger. So this is that one. Okay, so after adding this one, just main focus is that the handle sign up function, that or dot create user with email and the password, should be used in order to register your account to your Firebase. Okay, rest of the things are the same. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.